here is lesson 2 for keyboard. Alright, we are going to play numbers 11, 12, and 13. So take a look at 11, we're going to start there. Please remember, we need the round head, not the oval head. Okay? So make sure both mallets are correct side out. And let's play number 11. Notice you have some sticking, left, right, left. And of course you have to make sure you play the right note. So for all these videos, you should have already looked through. You should know what note you're playing, you should know the rhythm, you should know how to do it. These videos are just to help make sure that you understand it correctly. So here we go. We're going to start with number 11. And 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Now, did you count when I didn't? Did you count in your head? Did you keep every number going? In my head, when I wasn't counting out loud, I was thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I was thinking that the entire time. If you do that, you won't get lost. Okay, now let's look at number 12. All right, be ready for your right notes. Here we go, and 1, 2, ready, and rest. Rest, rest. Did you get all the right notes with me? Did you play it correctly? If not, then you need to rewind the video and try it again. Because remember, accuracy is our goal. Right notes, right rhythm. Right rhythms. That's what we're shooting for. Okay? Alright, before we get to number 13, let me tell you about our code word. Our code word is no code. Okay, so you'll just write no code on your paper to turn it in. Alright, number 13. We have a duet. What is a duet? A duet is when two people play a different part at the same time. For instance, look at the first two measures of the A line. You have a B flat, C half notes, then you have 4 D quarter notes. Okay, so B flat, C, D, 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 D. Now look at the B line. You have a B flat, C half notes, then you go back to B flat quarter notes. Okay, so here's what this is going to sound like. That's what the first two measures will sound like. Okay? But first, we're just going to play line A. Okay? So let's do it. Line A. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest, rest. Rest, rest. Alright, now, did you notice a couple things? Measure 2, for our 4 Ds, I alternated hands. Okay, that is an acceptable way of doing it. That's how I would prefer you play it. However, did you notice on measure 6, find measure 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I did. Okay, that is also acceptable to do it all in one hand if you're changing notes next. Because for instance, this, yeah, that's not right. But what if I do this? That works because I'm alternating and my hands are playing this very accurately. Okay, now let's play the B line. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and rest, rest. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. All right, again, did you count while you were playing this? If you did, good job. You're doing fantastic. I counted out loud for some of it, but I'm not always going to be counting out loud because you should be doing it. I count in my mind and I tap my toe. You might not be able to see it, but I tap my toe so that way I can play it. Sorry, let me quiet that. Also, did you notice how I made a mistake? When I played, I forget where it was. It was when we played the B line, but I played a wrong note. But I kept going. That's the important part. If you make a wrong note, that's okay. We're all going to make mistakes. But if you keep counting and you keep continuing on and you fix it, that's okay. If you do something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, oh no, oh. You just wasted all that time. But if you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Did you notice? I kept counting. Yes, I played wrong notes, but I got back on the right note as soon as I could. That is your goal. That is what you are shooting to do. Now, there's two things I want you to do. One, I want you to rewind the video. When I play the A line, I want you to play the B line. When I play the B line, I want you to play the A line. That way we'll have harmony together. And then if you're feeling really advanced, you can do what advanced players do. That is, they read both lines together. So you would have something like this. Rest, rest. Notice I missed a couple of notes, but I kept going. If you can play the A and B line together, then you are an advanced player. Okay, this was lesson 2. Thank you for joining me.